Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own social media marketing agency from scratch. This is a step-by-step guide that will teach you everything you need to know about starting and running your own social media marketing agency. So whether you are a beginner or just looking for some extra tips, this video has got you covered. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you find it helpful. Now let's dive in. 1. Choose a social media marketing specialty. When it comes to starting a social media marketing agency, one of the most important decisions you will make is what specialty you want to focus on. Do you want to specialize in Facebook marketing, or are you more interested in Twitter, or maybe you want to focus on all platforms equally? Whatever specialty you choose, make sure it's something you are passionate about and that you have a lot of knowledge about. The last thing you want is to start a social media marketing agency that doesn't really know what it's doing. So do your research, learn as much as you can about social media marketing, and choose a specialty that you feel confident in. Number 2, choose a niche market to focus. Once you've chosen your specialty, it's time to decide on a niche market to focus on. You need to be sure that the market you choose has enough potential customers who are willing and able to pay for your services. Additionally, make sure that your target market is not too saturated with other social media marketing agencies. Doing this research upfront will save you a lot of headache down the road. Furthermore, try to pick a niche that interests you, as it will make starting and running your social media marketing agency much more enjoyable. Once you've identified an ideal niche market, create a plan of attack so that you can start building relationships with potential customers and getting your business off the ground. Some examples of niche markets that you could focus on include small businesses, local restaurants, wedding planners, and so on. Just make sure that the niche market you choose is one that has enough potential customers who are willing and able to pay for your services. Number 3, research the competition. Before you start your social media marketing agency, it's important to do your research and find out what the competition looks like. That way, you can get an idea of what kind of services you will need to offer in order to be successful. One great way to research competition is to use Google. Simply type in social media marketing agencies and take a look at the results. This will give you a good idea of who your main competitors are and what services they offer. You can also use websites like Clutch or Upcity to find more information about specific social media marketing agencies. These websites allow you to compare different agencies based on their location, specialty, and reviews from past clients. So if you are having trouble deciding which agency to go with, these websites can be a helpful resource. 4, create a business plan. Creating a business plan is one of the most important steps when it comes to starting a social media marketing agency. Your business plan should include an overview of your company, your services, your target market, and more. It should also outline your financial goals and marketing strategies. Having a clear business plan in place will help ensure that you stay on track and get the results you want from your social media marketing efforts. Additionally, many potential clients may ask to see your business plan before signing a contract with you. So make sure that your business plan is comprehensive and up to date. One of the most important things you will need when creating your business plan is information and resources. This could include data about your target market, case studies from similar businesses, or a list of potential clients. Luckily, there are a number of resources available to help you gather this information. For example, you can use websites like socialmediaexaminer.com or sproutsocial.com to find helpful articles and tips about social media marketing. Additionally, these websites offer free ebooks and white papers that you can download and use as reference materials. You can also attend industry conferences and meetups to network with other professionals and collect useful information. And don't forget to reach out to your personal network for help too. Your friends and family members may be able to provide valuable insights or connect you with potential clients. With the right resources, you can create a comprehensive business plan that will help your social media marketing agency succeed. Number 5, set up your business infrastructure. Starting a social media marketing agency can be a very lucrative business venture, but in order to be successful, you need to make sure that you have the proper infrastructure in place. This includes things like a website, an email address, and a phone number that customers can use to contact you. You will also need to set up some basic accounting procedures so that you can track your income and expenses. And don't forget about marketing. You will need to create a branding strategy and develop some marketing materials like a logo, website banner, and business cards so that potential clients will know who you are and what services you offer. If you are not sure where to start, there are a number of resources available online that can help. For example, socialmediaexaminer.com offers free articles and ebooks on social media marketing topics. Additionally, they have a section on their website specifically for businesses who are looking to start or improve their social media marketing efforts. So take advantage of the wealth of information available online and set up your business infrastructure today. 6. Develop your branding strategy. Developing a strong branding strategy is essential for any successful social media marketing agency. Your branding should accurately reflect who you are and what your company stands for. It should also be easily recognizable so that potential clients can quickly identify you in the crowded market. To start, create a logo for your brand that will be used on all of your materials like websites, business cards, and so on. Make sure to choose colors, fonts, shapes, and symbols that represent your company's mission and values. Additionally, come up with a short tagline or phrase that defines who you are and what services you offer. Once you have your logo and tagline established, focus on creating consistent visuals across all of your marketing materials. This includes from your website to your business cards. You should also create a style guide or brand book that outlines how you want your logo and materials used so that everyone in your organization is on the same page. By creating a unique and recognizable branding strategy, you can ensure that potential clients will remember who you are and what services you offer. So start working on your branding today. Number 7, create content for your social media marketing campaigns. In order to create successful social media marketing campaigns, you need to generate high quality content that will engage your audience. This content can take many different forms, such as blog posts, infographics, videos, or images. To come up with ideas for content, you can use tools like Google Alerts or socialmention.com to track current events and trends. You can also look for inspiration from other businesses in your industry. And don't forget to use humor and creativity to stand out from the competition. Once you have an idea for a piece of content, make sure to write a catchy headline that will grab people's attention. Then draft a brief summary of introduction that will explain what the content is about. And lastly, include some strong calls to action so that readers will be encouraged to take action. By creating high quality content, you can attract new customers and promote your business in a positive light. So start brainstorming content ideas today. 8. Market your social media marketing agency to potential clients. To market your social media marketing agency to potential clients, you need to create a comprehensive strategy that includes both online and offline approaches. To start, use social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook to share content and connect with people in your target audience. Additionally, join relevant online forums and groups so you can network with other professionals in the industry. Offline, consider speaking at events or conferences related to your services. You can also advertise in local publications or host networking mixers for entrepreneurs who may be interested in using your services. And lastly, don't forget about word of mouth. Ask friends and family if they know anyone who might need help with their social media presence. By utilizing both online and offline marketing tactics, you can reach a wider audience and increase your chances of attracting potential clients. So start promoting your business today. 9. Manage and monitor your social media marketing campaigns. Managing and monitoring your social media marketing campaigns is essential for success. This process involves tracking the performance of each campaign, as well as making adjustments to ensure that goals are being met. To start, make sure to set clear objectives for each campaign so that you know exactly what you are trying to achieve. You should also track key metrics such as website visits, sales conversion, and engagement rates in order to measure progress. Also, consider using tools like Hootsuite or Social Mention to better manage your campaigns. These tools allow you to monitor conversations on social media, schedule posts in advance, and track performance across various platforms. Additionally, they can help you identify influencers who may be interested in collaborating with your business or sharing your content. By properly managing and monitoring your social media campaigns, you can ensure that each one is running smoothly and achieving the desired results. So start tracking your campaigns today. Number 10, analyze data to adjust strategies and improve performance. Once your campaigns are up and running, it's important to analyze the data in order to gain valuable insights into how they are performing. This will allow you to identify any areas that need improvement or adjustments that should be made in order for the campaign to be successful. To do this, look for patterns in the data collected from each campaign. This could include identifying which posts generate the most engagement or analyzing marketing spend against sales conversions. Also, consider using tools like Google Analytics to measure website traffic and engagement, as well as social bakers to track the performance of your social media accounts. These tools can provide valuable insights into how your campaigns are performing, allowing you to make adjustments accordingly. By analyzing data from each campaign, you can stay on top of trends and make changes in order to ensure that your strategies are effective. So start gathering data today. With careful planning, hard work, and dedication, you will be able to build a successful social media marketing agency. Have fun. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this. Thus, we have concluded our in-depth tutorial on the fundamentals of launching a social media advertising firm from scratch. Building a successful social media marketing agency requires much preparation, sustained effort, and commitment. Have fun.